Crafters, welcome to another weekly giveaway from Craftsuprint.com. I'm smiling today because I've just seen this lovely card which was sent in by Cynthia Massey. It's called Sending You a Smile Decoupage and the cup number is cup 967220_367. Cynthia also has a matching insert for this and the cup number is cup 967221_3367. As you can see there, look. I do like the way we've got the matching inserts. It really enhances the finished thing. This card features a cartoon doctor with his prescription pad prescribing a happy pill with certain side effects, just makes me laugh, which are sure to make you smile. Suitable for any occasion, I think, including get well, happy birthday, or if you just want to cheer someone up, and we all know someone who needs cheering up. It has lots of layers for decoration, for the decoupage. The warning notice reads, it just makes me laugh, may cause permanent weight loss, remove wrinkles and increase energy. This one is very easy to make and is also easy to cut out. Now Cynthia, I do hope you've not been sending Crafty Barb some of these little happy pills. Look at the front of the card. It features 3 small white little pills there. I wonder what they're for. I just think it's really funny. The card is embellished with lots of smiley, happy faces, and even the doctor has little mini buttons on his coat there, look. It's just the detail. It's so much detail in this card. I don't know how you do it, Cynthia. Your craft room must be awash with absolutely lots and lots of crafty bits and pieces. It just makes me smile. Okay, crafters, it's freebie time. This week we have a kit by our exclusive designer, Carol Dunne. The title for this one is Aperture Kit, Lilac and Peach Roses, and it has 2 sheets. Here they are, 1, 2. This card is a layered pyramid of lilac and peach roses. As you can see, the roses show through the square aperture cut out into the card front. It's very easy to make. A matching envelope is also included in this very pretty kit. The freebie this week includes lots of extra added tags such as happy birthday, happy Mother's Day, best wishes, to my wife, to my daughter, to my mother, to my sister, or it even has a blank one so you can use your own peel-offs. I'd now like to hand you over to Carol, who will show you how to make this fantastic card. Over to you, Carol.
Hello, I'm Carol Dunne and I'm a designer with Craftsuprint.com. Today I'd like to show you how to make one of my Aperture cards. As you can see, if I open it, there's a square hole here. Inside there are layers, one on top of the other, and when you close it the layers show through. On this side you can either have it flat and stuck down, or you can have it opening out. The choice is yours. And like I say, we've cut out all the pieces. These look a bit curly at the moment, but I'll show you why in a minute. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the middle of the card, which is this piece, and let me get it the right way up. The aperture goes over the top and these side bits fold around like that. So what we need to do is to put the front down like that and put the middle on the top. Check it to make sure you've got it the right way. Now I've already put double-sided tape down here. Same for this side. Make sure it's the right way up. So that's it so far. Now at the back you've got this writing which doesn't look very nice, so that's where I'm going to stick the backing on. Make sure it's the right way up. And this I'm going to stick with glue stick because it's a bit more forgiving than double-sided tape and you can shift it round a bit. But what I'm going to do is line it up a bit like that and stick one side down and then I'm going to turn it round and do the other side, because then I know it's lined up properly. Okay, so we've got the card like that with its nice backing on the back. Now what I need to do is put the layers in the middle there. Now on the sheet, these are the layers here. As you can see, they've got a black outline. I put this black outline on because sometimes if I have a pale design, you can't actually see sometimes where the edges are. So I always put it on, but it's designed there for you to cut off. So I'm going to start with the middle one first. Now the reason these are a bit curly is what I do. I don't like them being flat. You may, but I don't. And I have this special tool. I think it's made for making petals on with sugar paste, but I use it for this. And what I do is I get the shape. It's really good for petals. I'm sure people who do decoupage know all about this. And I run it round the edges just to give the edges a bit of a curl. And then I put some sticky pads on. Fiddly things. Some people use silicone glue for this. I prefer these. Then we line it up with the design. That's it. That's the way. That's the first layer. So what I've got to do is line this up, and it goes like so. Right, next one. This one needs one on the back. Let's see which way round is that going. There. So that's the middle done. And as you can see, I just have it like that. Or you can use this, which I've put in, just in case you want to leave it open. So we'll leave it open for now. I'm not putting as many stickers on this as I should, but I'm only doing it to show you, so it doesn't matter. There we go. Now the front, this one. This one looks a bit curly because I've already run round the back with this, so all I've got to do is stick that on. And now I'm going to line this up, and it goes, I think they're sticking on me too much. And this is the finished card.
Well, thank you for that, Carol. You really did this kit proud. It is a very pretty kit indeed, thank you. For those of you who are watching this video after the freebie has expired, the cup number is cup 477218_173, and it's available exclusively at craftsuprint.com. Okay, crafters, it's time for me to sign off for another week. Thank you for watching, and I do hope you enjoy watching myself and the lovely Carol on this week's episode. Make sure you visit us again, and don't forget to keep sharing every week. Even if you've shared before, please give us another share. And if you are watching on YouTube, you can always subscribe. Just there. See you next time, crafters. Bye!